Hi, my name is Philip Pak. I am the EV specialist and certified to work on the EV vehicles at our dealership. My training from the past involved electrical diagnosis, and once the EV vehicles came out, a new curriculum was created. I got an intro to it. So under the vehicle, right here you have the three-phase electric drive, also known as the E-Machine, and it's paired with a one-speed transmission, and that will connect to your axles and drive the vehicle. In the back here, you have a control unit. That will be the communication when your vehicle is charging at a charging station. You'll connect the charger. The way it works is that once you do that, the vehicle and the charging station is pretty much shaking hands and communicating. They're giving each other data before charging. Once they both agree, the charging starts to occur. Okay, and at the front of the vehicle, there's something called the voltage converter, where it takes the voltage from the high voltage battery and will convert it to 12 volt power, which will power your accessories in the vehicle just as a normal car would. There's also a 12 volt battery. The vehicle has components that run like a traditional vehicle, which runs off of 12 volts. When you're braking with an electric vehicle, well, sometimes you'll be in a regenerating mode where it will use that energy to help charge the battery. One of my training involved bringing down the battery and repairing or replacing individual modules. In these batteries, you have modules that are sitting side by side, and you're able to remove individual modules and replace it. That saves in cost instead of replacing the battery. All EV batteries have a 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty that comes with them.